Earth, the only planet where life exists. Or as aliens call it, that noisy blue marble with Wi-Fi and reality TV. It's 70% water, 30% land, and 100% drama. Earth doesn't spin. It just throws tantrums at 1,670 kilometers per hour. Volcanoes exploding, hurricanes raging, humans fighting over pineapple on pizza. Yeah, Earth is basically the Kardashian of the solar system. Meanwhile, Mars is just chilling next door. Like, bro, I'm literally red and dusty. But at least I mind my own business. So remember, Earth isn't just home. It's the universe's favorite reality show. Enjoy the chaos while it lasts, because spoilers, the sun eventually goes kaboom. That's Earth in a nutshell. Drama, chaos, and pineapple pizza debates. Smash that subscribe button before the sun does. You've got about 5 billion years, but let's not procrastinate.